Bro, you already know me. And welcome back to my channel. My name is Marlon, and if you're new, my name is Marlon. And as you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna be doing something that some of you guys have never heard of. I say that because I get a lot of questions like, why is my hair dry? Why is my hair always frizzy? Why is my hair taking so long to grow? And this video is gonna really help those people that have that question. So today we're gonna be doing a hair mask, right? It's gonna make your hair look better and it's gonna be healthier at the end of the day. After this video, don't come to me with no questions like, why is my hair dry? Why is it not growing? Why is it frizzy? Until you try these products and until you just start using a deep conditioner and just caring for your hair. Let me stop talking. Let's get to the video. Alright, so first I'll start by washing my hair. Due to the fact that I already washed my hair about 2 times on this channel, I'll just refer you guys to this video. It's going to be linked down in my bio. But today I'm going to be using the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. Before you even decide on using a hair mask, you want to make sure your hair is washed. And well, my hair is washed. First, just to let you guys know, I'm using the Curl and Shine hair mask by Shea Moisture. And I'm just going to be applying a really good amount to my hair, just so it could soak up all the moisture in my hair. And I don't want to wash this mask out immediately. Well, for those who are wondering why a hair mask is so good for your hair, it's pretty much like a deep conditioner, more concentrated. So it's like an actual treatment. It would definitely benefit your hair by making it shinier, adding moisture. At the end of the day, you're gonna have a healthier scalp and stronger hair. Well, after I'm done applying the mask to my hair, I want to tie it up. I know this little hairstyle doesn't look the greatest, but it's just for the treatment. I mean, you gotta take some risks to get the healthy hair, you feel me? And put a shower cap on. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm sitting in front of a window where the sun comes in and it gets real hot. So basically I'm just gonna sit here for at least 20 minutes until my hair burns off.
A few moments later.
So like 25 minutes has passed and I'm just gonna wash out the mask. This part is pretty crucial. You wanna use cold water. You wanna use cold water because it closes the cuticles and pores in your scalp. And it adds the shine. You don't wanna rush it. You could take your time washing out your hair. And as you can see, my hair is already looking shiny. And after washing out the mask, you wanna apply your leave-in conditioner. My leave-in conditioner is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. This product's on another planet. I can't explain it. It's something special. I recommend you use it and tell me what you think about it. Oh yeah, since this quarantine, man, I haven't been to the gym. I haven't been working out. I've been slacking. Bear with me, man. Don't look at my stomach, bruh. Get out of here. When you're done applying your leave-in conditioner, you want to get your gray cap. Put that on your head to speed up the drying process. Sit back and relax for like 25 minutes. You feel me? Alright, 25 minutes later, and it's the moment of truth. So as you can see, I'm getting prepared to reveal the head of hair. And wow, what the heck? I've never seen, this is insane. This is actually insane. I've never seen my hair this moisturized. The definition of my hair is absolutely impeccable, magnificent, marvelous. Oh my goodness. And all it took was one treatment. I'm telling you, this will work on any hair type. It's a treatment. It's meant for everybody. Alright, well, I'm not done though. I gotta pick out my hair. Alright, so just to get the volume, I just picked out my hair. I didn't do too much with the picking because this definition looked crazy. I don't want to mess it up. So I just picked out my hair a little bit. I actually need to trim my hair, but I can't go get it trimmed with this coronavirus thing. So my hair is really long right now. Let me know how your hair ends up looking. I guarantee you're gonna be happy with the results. Alright, and that's the final product. I actually haven't seen my hair look this moisturized in a very long time. And that's it for this video. You already know we out here, and you already know we out here.